I would like to introduce our new project, Oceanus.
This is Oceanus, a high-integration resin 3D printing, wash and cure workstation. It is able to wash, dry, and cure the printing object automatically.
Simply take out the part from the printer and put it into the Oceanus.
Easy setup and let it run.
This system is able to automatically complete water supply and drainage functions. Oceanus is equipped with a powerful washing unit, different with magnet method. Stirring fan is able to reach 400 revolutions per minute. There is a powerful fan being installed in order to dry the printing object after washing. Oceanus also contains 96 UV lamp beads in total, evenly distributed in the cavity. You will receive an excellent post-processing result when it's finished. Now, it is time to throw away your gloves. We are EIBOS. Excellent ideas based on structure.